Hi, I'm Jim Jubak, and welcome to this week's Quick Pick. This week's Quick Pick video stock is U.S. Natural Gas Fund. That's UNG. I did this as a quick pick about a month ago, so this is an update. If you've been following this stock or you own it because I recommended it, I do actually own it in my personal portfolios as well as in the online portfolios. You notice it's been pretty volatile lately. Let's look at a chart. Well, what interests me is this whole big plunge right here. That basically on June 14th, the fund fell by about 17%. And you got to go, why? I mean, natural gas has been one of the best performing commodities ever since the start of the Ukraine war, as Europe has struggled to find a way to reduce its dependence on Russian natural gas, as natural gas prices have soared. What's happened is a fire in the Freeport LNG processing facility. This plant handles about 17% of all U.S. natural gas liquefaction, turning it from gas that flows through pipelines to liquefied natural gas that can go on ships and be exported. There's really no way other than turning it into LNG to get U.S. natural gas to Europe and Asia, which are the big markets. So there was a fire, and what happened on the 14th was that the company came out and said, hey, we thought the repairs were going to take a few weeks. Now we're looking at really being pretty much shut down until very late in 2022. And people said, oh my goodness, that's much worse than we expected. Now, it may seem counterintuitive that with the natural gas supply available for export shrinking, that this fund would go down and that natural gas prices would go down. But here's the rub, which is that what you're talking about is a situation where because this facility has shut down, because this can't process natural gas into LNG for export, the natural gas is just going to sit there. It's piling up, tanking up. There's a flood of natural gas. There's a lot of natural gas sort of behind this plant that can't get exported, which means that the price for that gas is going to go down. Now, at some point, this facility goes back online, exports go wild again, and what we're looking at, I think, is also a kind of seasonal problem, which is that cold weather is coming back to Europe. So there's a real rush to get this, to get U.S. natural gas to Europe and Asia, which requires turning it into LNG, which means that we're looking at a severe shortage. So I would basically use this kind of short-term problem, which is what it is, it's a fire in one plant, to add some more UNG to my portfolios. I'm going to figure out a way to do that online. I'm probably going to buy some of this in a couple of days after this video gets posted and my personal accounts. But anyway, I think this is a good play on short-term volatility for a long-term gain. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you get notification when we're doing our next videos. We do about 3 a week, but not always on the same schedule. So if you subscribe, you get notification of when the next one's going up. You can also go to, for more of my stuff, you can go to my free site that's got 3 portfolios, including the ones that hold UNG. That's jubakpicks.com, or you can go to my paid site, which has 6 portfolios, including one that focuses on volatility, one includes some options and ETFs, and that's jubakam.com. Thanks very much for watching.